Extrusion startup. Ensure you have all of the components: the spooler, the plastic and colorant, the wire cutters, the tweezers, and some tape to attach the filament to the spool. Good to go. But wait, make sure that you've reviewed all of the safety warnings before proceeding with extrusion. Insert the spooler base into the side of your ProtoCycler, making sure that the spool is still free to spin. Now, connect the stepper motor plug into the receptacle in the side of ProtoCycler. Make sure this doesn't conflict with the smooth operation of the spooler. If you are connecting to a computer, plug in the USB cable now. Remove the cover from the extruder hopper. Now, open your bag of plastic. Ensure to remove all the desiccant packs out of the plastic before attempting to extrude it. Colorant is necessary. ProtoCycler does not yet support extruding transparent filament, as this messes with the sensors. Mix together the colorant and the plastic so it's nice and consistently melted. Colorant should be mixed in at about a 3% ratio. Place this mixture into the extruder's hopper. You're now ready to start extruding.